Welcome to the Imagination Lab. We're making Tumblewing Gliders with James. First, roughly cut out one Tumblewing template, leaving space at the top and bottom, and tape it to your paper at either end with masking tape. Cut down the long sides of the template carefully. Make sure you're cutting straight lines. Use the ruler to help you fold along the small dotted lines at each end. These wings should sit at 90 degrees. Now fold one of the long sides of the template down along the dotted line and the other side up, so they bend in opposite directions. Cut the ends of the template to shape, and your paper template should fall off. Discard the paper template, we just need your glider. See how one long edge folds down and one long edge folds up? It's important that the side facing you is pointing up, along with the two end folds pointing up too. Find an open, clear space with no wind. Release the tumblewing from a height. Try to keep the tumblewing flying around the top quarter of the cardboard by walking towards it. This might take some practice. How long can you keep it flying? Our record is 4 minutes.